I am your teacher Rahul Misra from your Sumit Singh Convent School. I hope you all will be good and enjoying your online classes and learning properly. Today in this segment, I am here for class first students with their syllabus book, English reader. So everyone will open the book along with a copy, a pencil, and those students who didn't have book, they contact to the school management for their books, जिससे उनका भी कोई लॉस ना हो और उनकी भी पढ़ाई प्रॉपर तरीके से चलती रहे. In the last class, I told you some important words, some difficult words with underline. So I told you to write on the copy. Today I will tell you how to write the word meaning on your copy. First, write a date on your copy, then lesson name, lesson number, and make a dividing line between page, and then write first side word and the other side meaning. As like on the chapter, the first underline word I told you that there is a million. Okay, so there is a million. Write it on copy. Million means लाखों. Another word is everything. Everything means सब कुछ. Then unhappy. Unhappy means दुखी. Then because. Because means क्योंकि. Other word believed. Believed मतलब मानना. Then swimming. Swimming का मतलब होगा तैरना. अदर वर्ड होगा थिंकिंग. थिंकिंग मतलब सोचना. देन लार्जर. लार्जर मीन्स बड़ी. थैंकफुल. थैंकफुल का मतलब आभारी या आभार होना किसी का. देन सडनली. सडनली मीन्स अचानक. देन वार्निंग. वार्निंग का मतलब होगा चेतावनी. देन ड्रॉन अप. ड्रॉन अप का मतलब ऊपर खींचना. Okay, now we are turning the next page. Here is everywhere. Everywhere का मतलब होगा हर जगह. Then never. Never का मतलब कभी नहीं. Wished. Wished का मतलब होगा कामना करना, किसी चीज़ की दुआ मांगना. So these words are that I teach you from the book, and now some words that are given here right here under the reading lines that in the book. So I will explain you these words. The first word is contented. Look, I write down here, so you will also write here, write on your copy. First word is contented. Contented का मतलब होगा संतुष्ट. And another word is here might. Might का मतलब होगा बहुत छोटा. Then other word is doubt. Doubt का मतलब होगा संदेह. Here like doubt. Doubt का मतलब संदेह या शंका करना. Another word message. Message का मतलब जाल. Floundering. Floundering का मतलब होगा तड़पना. देन स्प्लैशिंग. स्प्लैशिंग का मतलब इधर उधर उछलना. देन लास्ट वर्ड इज व्रिगल्ड. व्रिगल्ड का मतलब छुटकारा पाना. सो दीज वर्ड्स आर गिवन हियर. यू राइट डाउन ऑन योर कॉपी एंड लर्न इट. देन वी विल मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, that is answer the following questions. So we will write on our copy like first the heading, answer the following question. These are the comprehension exercises. First question is how many fish are there in the sea? Question mark. We will write like this up in a proper way, and then the answer. Answer will be there are a great many million fish in the sea. समुद्र में बहुत सारे लाखों मछलियाँ थी. Okay, so the next question is, why are the little fish unhappy? We will write like this: why are the little fish unhappy, with end with a question mark. The answer: he was unhappy because he was very little. वह दुखी थी क्योंकि वह बहुत छोटी थी. So the next question is question number 3. What happened to the fish one day? Okay, question mark. मछली को एक दिन क्या हुआ? So we will write the next line answer. The answer will be, one day he was swimming and suddenly got stuck in the mesh. एक दिन मछली तैर रही थी और अचानक एक जाल में फंस गई. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. वाई वॉज द फिश थैंकफुल टू बी अ लिटिल फिश? मछली अपने छोटे होने पर क्यों आभार प्रकट कर रही थी या थैंकफुल हो रही थी? द आंसर विल बी, he was thankful because he wriggled through the mesh. क्यों वह बहुत खुश हो रही थी या बहुत आभार प्रकट कर रही थी क्योंकि वह जाल से छुटकारा पा जाती है. ओके, नाउ वी आर moving to the next exercise, that is exercise number B. Fill in the following blanks from the lesson. हमें ये fill in the blanks अपने लेसन से करना है. There are a great many. many के बाद पहले पेज पर है फर्स्ट लाइन में, there are a great many million fish in the sea. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे MILLION, million. Okay, so the next is, but he was not. लेकिन वह नहीं थी. क्या नहीं थी? but he was not happy. यहाँ पे होगा but he was not happy. Number 3, he was unhappy. वह दुखी थी because, क्योंकि वह, because he was very little, क्योंकि वह बहुत छोटी थी. Then number 4, if I were only. The word is if I were only. So here is the word, if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. Okay, so here will be larger, LARGER. And the last is, there was much floundering, and the word here is, there was much floundering and splashing. So the here will be splashing, SPLASHING. Okay, so the question answer, word meaning and fill in the blanks has now done. So this is the homework for you. You will, that the word meaning you have written on your copy, and the question answer you will have to learn these. Okay, keep learning, stay safe. Thank you.